Welcome to Cogmotive SharePoint Online Reports. In this video, we're going to give you a quick overview of some of the reports and functionality that comes as part of the SharePoint Online Reports subscription. First, let's take a look at the SharePoint Explorer. This report gives you a graphical, hierarchical display of your site collections. You can drill down into the substructure to view information on the types of content and permissions at any level with a single click. The Site Collections report shows all of the site collections in your environment and the settings associated with them. This report is a great tool to quickly export and filter site collections by attribute for auditing or governance purposes. Clicking on a particular site collection provides further detail, including general settings, storage and quota information, and audit settings for that specific site collection. There's nothing worse than getting into the office and discovering that no one can save anything new to SharePoint because the storage quota has been used up. The storage report allows you to drill down into each site collection and its contents to see where storage space is being consumed within a site or library. By default, the largest items are brought to the top, allowing you to identify the folders consuming the most storage and free up space if it's no longer required. Instead of just blindly buying more storage to solve a problem, use this report to identify where it's being used and who last modified that folder. The SharePoint sharing configuration enables you to check that the sharing config match the guidelines set out in your governance policy with just a few clicks. Version settings show both the check-in and the version configuration set on each document library. This helps you ensure your document libraries adhere to your governance plan and internal policies. The SharePoint Group Membership Report gives you simple visibility of each group that has been created and who is in each, so that you can ensure that users have access to all the information they need and nothing more. This report also features search capabilities to view by user or group name. Do you know which of your libraries have disabled permissions inheritance in your SharePoint environment? The Permissions Report is a great tool to ensure that users have access to everything they need and nothing more. You can see how permissions are applied at each level with a SharePoint hierarchy, where you can view unique and inherited permissions applied to each site, library or folder to ensure your company's data remains secure. SharePoint Online Reports subscription also includes OneDrive reports. Our OneDrive activity report provides a breakdown of activity, such as modifications and when files have been added or deleted over a set time period. OneDrive storage history shows the allocation against the storage used by week. This allows you to monitor when you are close to your limits. The SharePoint Online Report subscription also includes some of our classic features, such as a custom report builder that allows you to generate bespoke reports by selecting the fields that are most important to you and adding filters to find the information you need. All of the reports can be exported, scheduled and emailed in PDF and CSV, ensuring that you and your team have the information you need when you need it. This is just a quick overview of the new SharePoint Online Reports. Our subscriptions also include instant access to new reports and features as soon as they become available. Take a free 14-day trial of SharePoint Online Reports now to see how it can help you to reduce risk, increase visibility and save time.